Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What we have today is we have what year is this?
2010?
A 2010 Chrysler Sebring. Okay, so it's been sitting a while due to the pandemic. So what we're gonna do is it won't start. I want you to hear what it sounds like. Hear that click, click, click? All right, so when we come back, we're gonna diagnose this thing and see what the deal is. Okay, first things first, we're gonna see if our battery is giving us enough power. So this particular car, the battery is down inside here. This particular car, you can check the voltage right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the red lead, I'm gonna put the red lead here, and I'm gonna put the black lead on any kind of other metal that's connected to the ground. So, and we'll see what our reading is gonna be. Okay folks, so here we go. I'm gonna touch the red lead to the red terminal, and I'm gonna find some metal for the other terminal and see what our voltage is. You see how it's only 10.4? That is not good. Next, I'm gonna touch the battery, the actual post on the battery. I can see it. I'm gonna touch the post and I'm gonna do the same thing. See if there's a difference between 10.4 and 10.2. Okay, so unfortunately, what we have here is a dead battery. So that's why it's not going to start. Typically what will happen is you're going to have a corroded battery terminal, and this might be part of the problem, because if I look inside there, I see a corroded battery terminal. But we're gonna attempt to clean the battery terminals and check to see if we're able to jump start the car and see if it'll actually charge. Okay, so we've connected two cars together. We're gonna see if we can start this thing and see if it's actually charging itself. So I'm gonna check the voltage again while the other car is connected. It's sitting at 13.6, which it needs to get at least over 12. So I think we're gonna be okay to start the car right now. I'm gonna attempt it. Okay, so the car is running at the moment. What we're gonna do is check to see if the alternator is doing its job. Sorry about the shaky video, but I have to set the camera on a running engine. Here we go. We're wanting to see about 14, there you go, 14 and a half. Alternator is doing its job. So what we're gonna do is just wait, take the car around the block for a little bit. Always have good jumper cables. Bad jumper cables have a hard time starting the cars. All right, so these cars need to be driven or idled, otherwise things like this will happen. All right, we'll see you next time on I Just Fix It Myself.